back in Iloilo ay sobrang tahimik niya. Kita mo naman yung paligid. Walang tao sa airport. Nga lang daw, sa Mandara, specific sa Smallville ang bukas most of the time past 10 p.m. Anyway, we're just waiting for our order. Order just arrived! KBL and Pecho. Sabi niya ang KBL daw is Kajos, Baka, Kajos, Baboy, Langka. Ayun. Kajos means black beans. Anyway, we're going to enter dinner na. See you later!
Balcony siya. Nandiyan siya. Balcony. Yung tubig nila may 1 peso. Ayan. So, ang Inong house.
I'm here at the point. I just feed and board in the college. Hello! Papunta na tayo ng Guimaras. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello, and now we're on our way to Robinsons dahil may P2P doon going to Iya. So, I'm just waiting for my angkas rider kasi I'm just having a backpack and a shoulder bag with me kasi ilang days naman ako doon. To give you a context, we're going to ILOILO and Guimaras 10 km. Yes, it's gonna be my first official run and it's going to be in Guimaras. Parang Valentines Day pa rin namin ni Gina. But anyway, ayun na, hinihintay ko na yung aking arriver. So, I'm really trying my best to pack right para at least, diba, hindi siya hassle. Ay, instead na mag-grab car ka, pwede ka, may option ka to, mag-motorbike na lang, diba? Yes, sa pamasahe. And then, if you go, this may option ako na mag-grab bike or mag-bike kasi sa mag-grab car. Ayan, I'm just waiting for ang task ride. See you in the airport. Ciao! We're here na sa P2P and we're just waiting for it to go. So, 3:30 daw, aalis na. So, yeah. So, like what I have mentioned, I'm going to Iloilo for my first ever and official 10 km run in Guimaras. And Gino will be having his half marathon. 10 km. Doon muna tayo sa realistic, which is 10 km. So, itong vlog ko na to, I'm not sure if it's gonna be detailed because, of course, I'll focus in my running. And this will be just a short trip. Kaya nga, yun, I'm just carrying a backpack and a shoulder bag. But nonetheless, I hope this will be fun. And let's wait for our bus to go. See you! Ito na talaga. See you in the airport. And we just arrived at medyo napaaga tayo. Kaya kakain muna tayo. Yan, order tayo ng Baconator at ng fries. I'm so disappointed sa Baconator nila. So, I crave for Baconator. But, so, yan na yun. 325. Ano ba yan? Ang liit ng price. My God. I don't know what to say. But yeah, it's good. But still, look at it. I cannot even feel the bacon. Grabe, sobrang disappointed ako dun sa Wendy's na kinain ko. I was really craving Baconator. And then, akala ko, ganun pa rin siya. And then, suddenly, parang single bacon lang talaga literal. Sana lang pala, I just made one. And now, we're inside. We're already checked in. And we're now waiting for our gate number because it's still TBA even though yung flight call will be at 7:05 p.m. and it's already 6:08 p.m. pero up till now TBA pa rin ang gate bound to Iloilo. But anyway, sana everything will be smooth. Siyempre, kahit naman maikli lang yung flight, we never know, okay? So that's why sana everything will be safe and smooth. And ayun, sana maging maganda rin ang weather sa Iloilo, most especially sa Guimaras kasi ang pangit naman tumakbo kung pangit ang weather, diba? And sana maging healthy tayo, no injuries, and let's enjoy our Valentines Day in Guimaras. So I guess I'll see you in Iloilo. Back in Iloilo at sobrang tahimik niya. Kita mo naman yung paligid. Walang tao sa airport. And now, we're exiting and we're going to our grab. Oh, beautiful. Hello.
Nakalimutan ko ibig sabihin ng PPN. Karne baka lang kaano.
Nag-vlog kasi ako. Hello, and now I'm here in Iloilo. And right now, we're going to have our dinner. And yes, I know it's late. It's already 10:30. Pero nahirapan kami maghanap. Supposedly, a first order of business was Rambo's. However, wala nang liempo, kundi manok na lang. So, naghanap kami. And sabi ko, batchoy na lang. So, let me correct this or update the information about Alicia's. Kasi last July, ang Alicia's up till 2 a.m. pag weekends. Ngayon, Monday to Sunday, up to 10 p.m. na lang siya. So, yun nga, sabi ko kay Chino, let's try Alicia's kasi till 2 a.m. naman siya. And when we arrived sa Alicia dito sa Mandurriao, it's already closed. Kasi may bago na silang updated hours. So, we arrived 10:13 p.m., 13 minutes past 10, and fortunately, they're already cleaning. So now, nag-galavan kami around Mandurriao, and fortunately, madami pang bukas. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Pet Shop. So, it's just a parang chicken restaurant here. Parang Mang Inasal version, pero Iloilo version. So, ngayon, ang in-order namin isang pecho at saka KBL. Kasi sabi ni Gina, siya yung madalas dito. Yung KBL nila, yung local food nila dito. So, now we're going to try it because I haven't tried it yet. And anyway, ayun nga, ang parang ang ano lang sa Iloilo ang napapansin ko sa kanila, like right now, di ba, Valentines Day, kahit ganun, ang agang magsara ng mga restaurants. Kasi even nung last na punta namin, noong 2020 and then last July, ganun siya, parang ang aga. And then yung one place na boy sa kanila is yung Mandurriao, specifically sa Smallville. May mga gimikan, may mga different restos, and then, karaoke bars and such. And dito rin maraming hotel, madami rin apartel, and then also, dito rin yung madaming condominiums na you can rent under Airbnb. So just in case na you're planning to stay here in Iloilo, one thing that I can recommend is Mandurriao. Kasi just in case na you're a night owl, madami kang mapupuntahan. Kasi if you're going to reside outside Mandurriao na, kahit na within Iloilo City siya, medyo close na pagdating ng 10 p.m. And that's based on my observation. Every time kasi nagpupunta ako, ganun yung nangyayari. Pero according to kay Gino, yeah, most of the time 10 p.m. sarado na. Andito nga lang daw sa Mandurria, specific sa Smallville ang bukas most of the time past 10 p.m. Anyway, we're just waiting for our order. Order just arrived. KBL and Pecho. Sabi niya ang KBL daw is Kajos, Baka, Kajos, Baboy, Langka. Ayun. Kajos means black beans. Anyway, we're going to our dinner na. See you later!
Amazing view while walking. Ang aking poging date. Hello. And now we're done with our dinner and now we're just trying to walk on our way home. Because just 2.5 kilometers away from where we ate. Nandito kami ngayon sa lagitnaan ng SM.
Good morning, guys. It's officially my first day here in Iloilo and we're about to head off to Guimaras. But before we head off, I'll show you first where we stayed. And it's just actually a homestay, but it's a very, very decent one. It has a shared bathroom, but I can say it's clean. You know naman me, I'm so maarte when it comes to bathroom. But anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. We're on the second floor. So ito, meron silang ganyan. May ganyan silang part. Ayan. Tapos ito, may balcony sila. Andyan siya, oh. Balcony. Ayan, tubig. Yung tubig nila may 1 peso. Ayan. So, ang theme nung house is obviously palette and wood. Aesthetic minimalist. Yung ganyan yung theme niya. Ayan, oh. So, katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, second floor ang aming room. Ayan. Decent. Meron silang study room. This is the toilet. Toilet and bath, and then a shower. And this is our room. There you have it. Pansin, putok na putok pala yung blush on ko, tsare. Ayan yun na nga. Pero in fairness, we're so fresh here. We're about to head off to Guimaras like what I had mentioned. And then, actually, wala pa kami nabubook. I thought meron na book na si Gino ahead of time. But it's okay kasi when it comes to that kind of issue or matter, siya always chill. Ako, I'm on panicking mode na. Ayan, so, I don't worry kasi balance kaming dalawa. We're going to head off na to Guimaras Port. Or maybe we'll eat first at Ramboy's because I'm really craving Ramboy's since last night. Last night we're about to eat Ramboy's, but however, it's closing time when he arrived because of a very nonsense issue.
Yung Roro ba dito, nakakapunta ng Katiklan? Hindi po. Ha? Yun yung weirdo, no? Lapit-lapit eh. Oo.
May pasero nga ako nung galing sila ng Maynila. Tapos tanong ko sa kanila saan sila galing gano'n. Yung ginawa nila, yung sasakyan nila, yung pinaroro nila papuntang dito sa Iloilo. Tapos mabiyahe sila papuntang Katiklan. Malapit na sana. Ay, dito po pala kayo dapat yan sa FM na yan.
Yung pila na yun.
Yung pila na yan, oh.
Ayan.
Grabing pila, oh.
Pauwiing Guimaras.
Oo.
Nilang weekend na rin.
Opo.
Pauwing Guimaras or ano, tatakbo din?
Ano,
Sa
pauwi
sasakyan?
Yung iba.
Dapat nandun yung mga
Mas mabilis po pag dito. Hirap dun. Gawin.
Restroom pa dyan.
Opo, maraming po dito. Tatakburin siguro yun.
We're finally here at the port. I just peed and now we're gonna tayo ng ticket going to Guimaras. Hindi yung Guimaras, Benedicta, Golden. Ay, dyan mo sir. Or lang sir. Yes sir. Papunta na tayo ng Guimaras. And now we're here. 14 minutes after kasi we left the port around 9:35 and now we arrived at 9:48.
Musical lang.
Hindi ako marunong maghagal.
Gusto ko lang yung try, ma'am. Gusto ko ma'am, sir. Ay, gano'n ka pa? 150, sir. After capital sa akin, sir. Doon lang kami. Skip lang kayo.
Do 150 talaga binaya din natin. I remember back then. Parang hindi pa rin nag-iba pala. 150 pa rin. So it took us 14 minutes. We left the port around 9:35 and we arrived at 9:49 a.m. So 14 minutes. Almost 15. Tapos pagdating niya merong Department of Tourism na registration and it's just for free. So nag-register kami and then now we're looking for jeep or tricycle going to Capitolio. And it's 150 kapag tricycle, sabi ng mga tricycle. Ngayon, ito, we're going to try jeep.